Okay, let me have an example of inverse of 2 by 2 matrix. For example, inverse of 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, we want to find the inverse. For example, if C is equal to 1, 2, 1, 5, okay, and we want to find the C inverse. First, as I told, for you to find the inverse first, we have to check the determinant of C. If the determinant of C is 0, that's mean there will be no inverse. So 1 by 5 minus 2 by 1, which is equal to 3. So there is inverse. Okay. Number 2, we have to find the edge of the adjacent of C. This is equal to, we are interchange the place of the diagonal. So here it will be 5, 1, and the sign of the element which not in the diagonal, okay, minus 1. So C inverse, it will be equal to 1 over the determinant of C multiplied by the edge of C. Okay. Now how we will multiply? And because of that, I told for you this not should be equal to 0, because if it is equal to 0, it will be infinity. So this will be 1 over 3 multiplied by 5 minus 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, this is equal to multiply 1 over 3, because it is a scalar multiplication, multiplied up inside the matrix. It will be 5 over 3 minus 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3 and 1 over 3. Okay, this is will be the matrix, the inverse matrix. Let me check our answer if it is correct or wrong. Okay, you have C, you have the matrix C is 1, 1, 2, 5, okay. We want to find the inverse, so C inverse, we will select the size of the matrix is 2 by 2 matrix equal M represented for a matrix inverse, this one M inverse. Select the array, Control Shift Enter. Okay, as you see it will be the same. Okay, it will be the same answer. Okay, now if you have another question for also to finding the inverse of the matrix, for example, if B is equal to 1, 3, 1, 2, okay, or minus 3, and we want to find here, let it be minus 1. Okay, now if we want to find the B inverse, and this is equal to, first we have to find the determinant. This is will be equal to 1 over the determinant of B multiplied by the edge of B. So first we will check the determinant if it is equal to 0 or not. That's mean the determinant of B is equal to minus 1 multiplied by 2 minus 3 multiplied by 1. Okay, and this is equal to minus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 1. Okay, so here there is inverse. So this will be equal to 1 over 1 by the edge of B, which is equal to 2 minus 1. We are interchanging the place of A and B, or the diagonal, and the sign of the element which is not belong to the diagonal, minus 1. So the negative, it will be positive, and positive will be negative. So the answer, it will be 2, 3, minus 1, minus 1. Let we check our answer if it is correct or wrong. Okay, by using Excel. So B is equal to minus 1, 1, minus 3, 2, okay, and we want to find the B inverse. B inverse, click to OK. Okay, then we select the size of 2 by 2 matrix equal to equal to M inverse, Control Shift to enter. Okay, you will find it the same size. Okay, now if you have, for example, another matrix, and this matrix is 3 by 3, like we call it B, not B, let we say it M, and it is a 3 by 3. Okay, and also we want to find the inverse of this matrix, of the matrix M. So we will select, we will write M inverse, then OK, M inverse of this matrix 3 by 3 equal to M inverse, select all, Control Shift enter. Okay, now there is no inverse for this matrix. Why there is no inverse for a matrix? So we have to check the determinant. Maybe the determinant is equal to 0. Okay, now the determinant of M, okay, is equal to M determinant of this matrix, Control Shift enter, is equal to 0. So because of that, there is no inverse for this matrix. So if you have 3 by 3 matrix or 4 by 4 matrix, I prefer from you to use the Excel to find it. Okay.